Juan Buigao.
This is a one traditionally story of Berber, and his title is The King and the Elephants. Once upon a time, in a far, far away castle, there was a little prince called Amar, who said to his father, "Daddy, I want an elephant. Can you give me one elephant for my birthday? Please, please, please."
Okay, let me think about it.
2 months later, there was the birthday elephant. The prince's birthday, and the king gave a very big gift, an enormous and strong elephant.
Amar, here you have the elephant.
"Oh, thank you, Daddy. Thank you so much," said the king. 2 months later, the elephant had caused a lot of problems to the king, to the peasants.
The peasants were sick of the elephant, and they thought of saying to the king, because the elephant it had destroyed the fields and smote the cross. But they were very scared of the king's hangers, and they suggested that they would say one word it. But this what happened when they arrived. Your Majesty,
What do you want?
Your elephant,
My elephant? What?
your elephant sings, and this peasant was waiting for the other one continue the sentence, but this never happened to he had to go alone, inventing the message because he was not brave enough to tell him to. Your elephant sings.
Your elephant seems to be sad. You must buy another one. Okay, let me think about it.
1 week later, the 2 elephants had caused double of problems.